Wow. Alright, let's put it to the test. This is a review of April Skin's calendula line that I just ordered recently. This is how the packaging looks like. You can order the peel itself for I believe $20, or you get the peel and the face mask brush that it comes with together, so you can scoop it and put it on your face. So we're gonna test it out today. If my face has anything that resembles that tomato, it should work beautifully. So we're gonna test it out. This is how the brush looks like. It's like a rubber spatula that you could just use on your face. Oh, so if you can see here, I don't know if I can focus onto it. It's like pellets. It's like pellets of, I believe, the flour and the facial mask. All right, let's test it out. I think I'm gonna need a mirror of some sort. Smells nice. Smells really nice. I can feel it somewhat tightening up already. Let's see. If it looks like I'm looking down, it's because I am. I'm trying to look into a mirror while I do this because I can't really stare into a camera and do this at the same time. So hopefully I can do it correctly. I think I need more. This packaging is kind of small. Maybe 3 to 4 uses, you're probably done to 1/4 of the bottle already. So, if you are planning on getting this, make sure you order more if you like it, because you're probably gonna run out. Look how shiny my face is. I hope I'm putting it on evenly. I think it's even. Before I did this, I had my face cleaned beforehand, and the instructions are to do it after you clean your face with a facial cleanser. I think that's it. I don't know if you can see everything, but look. It's all over my face. And I believe you have to wait. I don't know how long you're supposed to wait. I'm assuming you're supposed to wait until I look like Patrick Bateman from American Psycho.
Some kind of abstraction.
You know that scene?
But there is no real me. Only an entity. Something illusory. And though I can hide my cold gaze...
That's a good peel-off scene. I like it. I feel it tightening up already, which is pretty good. Means that it works quick. It might be because I have a good breeze in my room as well, so it's drying. And it looks like I'm already done with that top portion of the peel-off pack. I believe you can get a good 4 to 5 uses of this, especially if you have a big face like I do, which I clearly do. And these masks are great since you can just use them mostly at any time. I've seen online where a lot of people add like matcha powder into their face peels and then they start painting their face and such. So I think I might try that next time if I like this whole product. I don't really have anything matcha based, but I do have a green powder of many greens together, like bitter melon, spinach, and spirulina, something like that, but we'll see. That's for another episode of the facial care. My face is getting really tough to move already. Huh. Hello everybody. It has been 10 to 15 minutes, I believe. I'm not keeping track, but I'm pretty sure it has been 10 to 15 minutes. I can't talk right now because it's stuck, and I can feel my face holding back the peel. So let's start. Oh no, it got into my hair. Okay. Well, now I have a miniature face of myself. If you were to look at it, let me see the nose part where I have a majority of the stuff. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Some pellets are from the mask itself, but some of the white things on the nose are my mini whiteheads that I have. So you can see that. Facially, I feel refreshed. Feels good. It's not bad. I think after this, I have to start my little facial regimen. My face feels a little lighter and smoother too. Trying to look in the mirror right now. Not bad. I like it. This is the most easiest that I feel that people should be using. Smell is nice. Oh, it definitely peeled off some on the side of my nose. Oh yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed this little review because it's not bad. It's pretty good. I'm looking forward to a couple of more times of trying this out. Hopefully it's a little bit better. Maybe I can apply it better. Maybe there's a way of doing it better. But as a first time review, this is an unbiased, natural review. Thanks for watching my little review of the April Skin Peel Off Mask. It's not bad. I think it's a pretty good quality. If you would like to see some of my other facial regimens, please click on the links below in the description. And also, code right here for a 5% discount off YesStyle clothing. Be sure to click on the link or just use my little code right here. Hey there, 123. Like, subscribe, give it a share if you liked it. Give me a comment as well. And I'll try to answer more of your questions. Thank you. Peace.